Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I just wanted to quickly show you this cute little sheep brooch that I got from Etsy at a store called Thistle, which is a cute name, isn't it? And the woman's name is Christy, and she is super, super sweet. And she didn't mean to actually deliver to the United States, but it turned out that I was able to order something, and I didn't know she didn't deliver here, and now she is able to deliver here. So I wasn't going to show this, but it is so stinking cute. And because you can deliver to the United States, and it includes shipping and all of that, she has it all figured out, she thinks. And I just wanted to share it with you guys because this was really, really cute. And it's just a little brooch that I thought would be cute to wear on some of my knittables because it's sheep. And you know, you make them out of wool, so it's cute. And this is her little sticker, Thistle Cards and Gifts flavored with Scotland. And it's www.thistle/do.com. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope that you guys check her out. Bye-bye. Thank you, Christy.